Welcome friends. In this video we are going to discuss about Python strings. Okay, very important topic, Python strings, and upcoming times we see how different functions helps to manipulate or handle Python strings. But here in this part 1 video you only know what is Python string and how Python string behaves in a Python. Fine. So let's begin. This is the part 1. First, in strings. Strings in Python are surrounded by the single quotation mark or double quotation marks. Just like in below example, I will show you through hello is the same as double quote hello. Okay, Python does not differentiate between single and double quote. Both called as a string. Single quote is also called a string. Double quote is also called as a string. Single quote and double quote did not create any partiality, so both are same for the Python perspective. But other programming languages its meanings create different, but in Python its meaning is same. So next, assigning string to a variable. Like normal variables, when you assign any data to particular variable, just like Python string is also same rule, same principles are going to be followed to assign the string data to a particular variable. Okay, assigning a string variable to done, followed by the equal to sign. Multi-line string. What is the meaning of multi-line string? Multi-line strings means if you want to add more than one word and multiple lines. Okay, suppose there is a paragraph. Okay, paragraph means there is a more than one line. Okay, one line is completed, then the next line is going to be started, and there is a more than one line. And if you want to assign a particular variable to that paragraph, so you can use in a Python also. Okay, I can see this thing, this principle is coming up in C, C++ or Java. You can do it on there, but I can take any type of examples like this multi-line string, which are generally going to use in Python. Okay, so here if you are using 3 triple quote, here 3 single quote, both are same, both are behave like a same. Okay, here I will show you one example of a triple double quote. Okay, triple double quote. So after that I will show you all the practical work. You can better understand how Python string works. Fine, so let's see. Okay, then directly move to the practical. So first we create a one file, python string .py. Okay, there is already created python string.py file exist. I will give in a 2. Okay, was python string. So first we have created a variable x and assigned to the double quote t keypad. This is a string type variable data and print x, and it is going to be written t keypad. And here t keypad is generally going to be written in a double quote form. Suppose then there is one single quote, hello world. Okay, then print x. I'm going to run the code. There is called a hello world. Fine, there is called hello world. Okay, then next. Fine, you understood single quote and double quote both are placed like a string. Okay, suppose if you want to place a numerical data, so single quote point, then print x, it return to a numeric data in a string form. Fine, how could you know? Already in some previous video I already explained. If you add a type, if you add the x inside the type function, it will return you the type of that particular variable. Okay, that is a string type. It is here is going to be returned. You understood how the string is going to be assigned to the particular variable. Then now we are general follow single double quote and single double triple quote. Okay, that is multiple lines in a string. Suppose there is equal to triple quote. Okay, you write here some example, some paragraphs like suppose I will write here some QWERTY keypad, then QWERTY keypad, then QWERTY keypad. I end that triple quote. Okay, there is also inbuilt some quotes are present. Okay, fine. So here I print X and it will going to be return you that particular all the QWERTY keypad, QWERTY keypad, QWERTY keypad. This is the triple quote. Okay, this is the triple double quote. Next I will go through the triple single quote, triple single quote. Okay, then hello world. Okay, then another hello world, then another hello world. Okay, fine. Then print X. Here hello world, hello world, hello world, three times going to be print, but both are strings. Okay, in previous form triple double quote and the next triple single quote. If you want to print assign a data in the form of paragraph, if in the form of more than one line or more than one sentence, okay, then that is general belongs to the paragraph, then it will going to be assigned to a single variable and is going to be print you like this. Okay, so here you one thing you remember, double and single quote both are placed a same role inside a Python. So if you want taken as a single character, just like in C, C++, if you already learned Java also, you have already learned that there is a single character, there is a single quote. If there is a more than one character, there is a double quote. But in Python, single, double both are play same role. If there is a single character, if there is a more than one character. Okay, if you go for the print x equal to double, okay, q w, if there is a single character. Okay, my point is that single character. So what is the main difference? Run the code and you see q. If you go for the x equal to single quote q and print x, okay, then it is also same thing. Okay, that is going to be print. How could you prove it? If x is equal to x1, I will assign this variable as a x1. Okay, then print true. Okay, true, sorry, return true. Okay, return is used inside the function, you only true. Okay, then else false. Fine, so check it. Okay, here I would better for the print okay, it return you true. Okay, why? Because both have same value. Okay, both variable has same value, that's why true. If we go for the identical, okay, both the string we have to search, but here it's not going to be support equal to triple equal to. In JavaScript there is also support identical purposes, the content and the type both are same. Okay, here with the content is compared, that's why it is returned to you true. So that's it, and upcoming videos you also see that how string plays like a array, and how strings functions are we are going to use members in not in members. Okay, operators, how it plays like a member operators, both there is very important videos are of upcoming time coming out. If you like this video, please comment this video and share also, subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. When I'm going to upload any video, you get the notifications. Thank you.